Buongiorno, siamo in località Due Laghi, sopra San Zeno di Montagna e ci stiamo avviando per fare un giro su al Rifugio Chierego. Sono -4 e si parte. Qua ci sono le prime segnalazioni, i primi cartelli e noi seguiamo il sentiero 51. Vamonos!
Come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Questo è l'impianto di risalita del Costabella.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring?
Siamo arrivati al Rifugio Fiori del Baldo, che si trova solo a un quarto d'ora prima di Chierego.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
Ecco il Rifugio Chierego.
Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Stiamo salendo al Costabella. In fondo i colli urbani, i Sini, il Carrega, il Pasubio.
Ciao, stupendo! Il crinale qua è bellissimo.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, it makes me wonder. When the storm is moving in, the sky goes dark and you feel the wind. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come around. And you harbor all your tears, your disbeliefs and fears. You will rise above, know that you are strong. Though the road is long, there is always love to carry you home. when there's no solid ground. Walls are closing in and you hear the sound of your heartbeat through your chest.
Adesso si fa ritorno.
Oh, your head is spinning, you can't find no rest, and you harbor all your tears.
Adesso prendiamo il sentiero delle Greste.
Carry you home.